Hi, I am Suhan and you are watching my LeetCode series. Today we are gonna talk about the power of 3. Yes, it's a 326 question of LeetCode. It is categorized as an easy question and it is easy. First we will see what this question tells or what is given to us. We are given an integer n and we have to return true if it is a power of 3. Power of 3 means 3 raised to any number x which returns the value n. Now we will see the examples. If n is 27, we will return 27 true. And if n is 0, we will return false as 3's power x cannot be 0. So you can see other examples here. Now let's get to the coding part. First I will show you the easy way to do it, then the best way to do it. The easy way, which I got 85% in speed and 67 in memory. In this method we are using the property that if 3 is the power of x or 3 is raised to x, then we can divide x till n is 1. In this we will be using a property of power that if a number is a power of something, then we can divide it by the number so that we get n is equal to 1. Suppose n is the power of 3, like 9. We can divide 9 by 3 till we get 1. So we are doing that and checking. If n is 1, then return true, else return false. Here we are dividing n by 3 till we get n is less than 1 or n is equal to 1 or n is greater than 1. Now you can also use here end cases, which are if n is equal to 0 or n is less than, or you can say n is less than equal to 0, then directly return false. And now we will be taking a look at the best solution of this question. In this solution I got 96% and in memory usage I got 90% highest. So we will be taking a look at this answer. If a number is divided or is a power of something, then it will be divided by the greater number, which is the power of. Like if you have 9, then it will divide 27 by it and the remainder will be 0. So I am taking the highest power of 3, or assuming that the highest power of 3 is 3 raised to 20, as in the constants we are given that the n cannot be greater than 2's power 31. So in this case we will take 3's power or 3 raised to 20 as the highest number and divide it by n, the given number. If it returns 0, as we are finding the remainder, then we will return true, else we will return false. Here we are using some logic to perform this answer, as we know the constants, but if the constants were not known, then the best solution would be the solution which I told you at the beginning of this question. But for the optimistic way, we use this method. Signing out, Suhan. Thanks for watching.